Aikari ya matura matiganite thini wa kaunti ya Baringo riu mari na hahu ya kunyitwo ni murimu wa malaria thutha wa andu makiria ma 1,000 kuma kaunti-ini ino kuerekana ni magumirwo ni murimu uyu.
3,000 people have come for testing in the whole of Baringo South, that is Marigat, and about 1,000 of them tested positive.
Mututhuko wa murimu wa malaria kaunti-ini ya Baringo urerekana umanite na kwaraha kwa mai maria mumanite na mbura yaurire muthia-ini wa mwaka muthiru.
Tunajua ya kwamba malaria imetokana na mvua kubwa. Wakati mvua imenyesha, maji imeingia kwa bahari na bahari ikasonga ikakuja hapa juu, na hapo sasa malaria kaanza kusana.
Kurumirira gutherema kwa murimu wa malaria, thirikari ya kaunti ya Baringo riu ni hariria rigutithiriria aikari ya kaunti ya Baringo kuhurana na murimu wa malaria utana matoria.
There's a lot of malaria breeding areas right now because of stagnant waters, and we're actually addressing that right now. From tomorrow we will be spraying the larvicides so that we can kill the malaria larvicides. We're going to give more nets so that people can have more protection. We're going to ensure that we have enough drugs. So as a county, that is what we are doing right now.
Wa Jerometa, Inoro TV.